Be confident in English presents. Teacher Vlad. Linguist, English language teacher, educator. More than 10 years of teaching experience. Brand new approach to teaching English. English language speaking courses. Easy, innovative, effective. Elementary English speaking training course for beginners. Easy to learn. Everything are explained in easy terms. New learning technologies. Synergetic language matrix and speaking simulators. Learn making sentences with color schemes. Easy exercises with a very good result. Learn speaking with speaking simulators. 100% speaking practice. Vocabulary exercises. Learn more words and start speaking. Speaking exercises. Easy and effective. Easy grammar. Easy to learn and understand. Quizzes and writing exercises. Unique and very effective writing practice. Elementary English speaking training course for beginners. The course is designed for complete beginners. No special requirement are needed. If you can read and write English, you can start learning speaking English with this course. You will learn about a sentence structure, how to make affirmative sentences, how to make questions and answer them positively and negatively. You will also extend your vocabulary. And you will start understanding spoken English and start speaking English on the elementary level. Exclusive content.
So what are you waiting for? Take this elementary English course and start speaking English right now. Good luck and all the best. See you at my lessons.